Hello, algebra students. Today you're going to be engineers, and your assignment is to test the strength of bridges. Now we're going to use paper bridges, not real ones. So you're going to just receive 15 sheets of paper that look like this. These will become your bridges when you fold up this dotted edge. And I want you to fold them up so that the dotted line is to the outside, and we can see these little arrows on the outside of your bridge. So again, fold up each of these sides very carefully. So be as accurate as you can. The more accurate we are, the better the experiment will go, the better data we'll get. All right, you're also going to need 2 textbooks, and line the textbooks up so the open edges are facing each other. These are going to be your bridge supports. We're going to place our bridges on the supports so that they're overlapping by 1 inch, and these arrows represent the 1 inch mark. So we're going to be very careful about keeping the arrow lined up on each side with the edge of the book. Check that consistently to make sure those arrows are lining up. You're also going to receive a Dixie cup, and you're going to gently place that Dixie cup in the middle of your bridge. Don't bend your bridge while you're doing that. All right, let me get my arrows lined up again. This one's a little off. You're also going to receive quite a few pennies. You're going to test how many pennies it takes to break the bridge. Now, I've got a 1-layer bridge here, and probably won't take very many pennies. I'm going to put the pennies in the cup very, very gently. I'm not going to drop them from way up high. I'm not going to throw them in. I'm going to try not to touch the cup when I'm putting them. I'm just going to gently set them in the cup. 1, 2, 3. How many do you think it's going to take? Well, I'm going to let you find that out, but let's talk about what it means for a bridge to be broken. That will be the case when your cup either falls off because the bridge has bent enough that it teeters, or when the bridge and the cup itself both touch the ground. You've got a broken bridge. So once you've tested that 1-layer bridge, you're going to keep going. It should take more than 3 pennies. You're going to recycle the bridge because it's faulty. It's like the I-35W bridge. It's gone. It's done for. So recycle it. Record the number of pennies it took to break that bridge, 1 layer. And then you've got several more of these bridges folded up by then. You should have at least 15 folded up. So take 2 fresh bridges, put one inside of the other, because next you're going to test a 2-layer bridge. Use the same steps. Line those arrows up with the edges of the book. Empty the pennies out of your cup. Gently set the empty cup in the middle of the bridge. And again, begin gently putting 1 penny at a time. Count while you're doing that. 1, 2, 3. It's easier to count them on the way in than to dump them out and count them later. And again, record your data. Then do your 3-layer bridge, your 4-layer bridge, and your 5-layer bridge. Don't forget to recycle any broken bridges and to use fresh ones for the next experiment. Good luck, have fun, be accurate. Let's see how close you can get to the ideal number of pennies it takes for each layered bridge.